Instant Team software produced by Heaven Industries makes your project management easier. In this instruction video, we are going to focus on planning with resources. First of all, it is important to say that this instruction video is aimed especially at colleagues with the manager role and expands on the instruction video about planning without resources. We have already entered some tasks. When do they start and how much time will they take? But they aren't assigned to our colleagues. Resources are usually users, but they can also be whole departments. To assign a task to a resource, we need to get into the Plan section and then into Properties of a task and then in the field called Owner. We can do it directly in the report too. It is possible to assign one task to more resources. In the Units column, we can fill in how much of the resource's capacity will be devoted to the task. If we want our colleague to have some extra time, we can decrease percentage in the Units column. Then he can help with the other tasks. But the task with the decreased units will be finished later. Plan by Resources report is there for closer inspection of resource assignments. Here we can see tasks assigned to resources across all projects. To change task owners, we can use drag and drop. While scheduling, we can easily overload a resource. This conflict can arise if a colleague is scheduled to work on 2 tasks at once at his full capacity. Utilization report shows us the use of a resource in the chosen time interval. Blue bar in the chart shows the planned utilization of the resource capacity. Red is for allowed maximum, and the green one is for peak utilization. It is the biggest value of units which will be reached at any point in the chosen time interval. If there is a resource over allocation, then the green bar is higher than the red one. We can fix this conflict by assigning another resource to the conflict task, or by changing the schedule. If one resource is representing a department, we can increase its maximum capacity. On the other hand, if we have a colleague on a half-time job, we can decrease his maximum units to 50%. We can deal with resource overloading also by using automatic resource leveling. For tasks which are assigned to an overloaded resource, we will change values in the order column into numbers. Work on task number 1 starts first, and then comes task number 2, and so it goes till the last task. All resources have one default calendar with 8 working hours a day, Monday through Friday. If we want to change this schedule, we can enter our own calendar. We can set working hours a day. When to start working, set which weekdays are working days and which aren't. And set some specific days as exceptions, for example, when there is a public holiday. If we want our calendar to be used by all members of our group, we can designate it as the default. But if it's meant for one user only, we have to assign it to him. When we assign a calendar to a colleague, his tasks will automatically move according to the new calendar. This is all for now. On behalf of Heaven Industries, I am saying goodbye to you.